Hi, I'm Joel Crandall from Physio Care Center, and I've created a new method called structural joint balancing. And my guest here today is Dr. Mark Barraza of Vertical Wellness out in Santa Clarita at the Velocity Sports and Training Facility. So Mark, would you tell us a little bit more about yourself?
Absolutely, thanks Joel. Yes, I'm a chiropractor, sports chiropractor. I specialize in, of course, manipulating the joints, but as well as paying attention to the muscles, ligaments, and tendons. I see a lot of athletes here inside of a sports training facility, as Joel mentioned, and the biggest population I work directly with is the running population. So I work a lot hands-on and head to toes basically is what I cover. I'm super excited with what Joel has to offer. It works great with what chiropractors have to offer as well. But it's very exciting, and I can't wait to let Joel kind of show you the ropes and demonstrate to you how efficient it really is.
Great, Mark. Well, one of the things that was really cool that kind of got me excited about sitting down and working with you today is, you know, during our Super Bowl, there was a great commercial for, I believe it was Toyota, with a runner that had prosthetics on.
Mm-hmm.
But even with those prosthetics, they still had the same gait problems we see in regular athletes. Mm-hmm. So that was telling me that it's not about the foot making the change. So, I don't know, you do a lot of manipulations and stuff like that, so what I've come up with is balancing and creating symmetry of the skull itself, the cranium. Okay, so one of the things that I have found is neuromuscular dysfunction is pretty much secondary to cranial symmetry. So one of the things I want to work on today with Dr. Mark Barraza is, since he works with a lot with runners, and a lot of people talk about foot and gait and push off and landing, my philosophy is it's the head that's dictating the foot landing. And also with the push off. So if we can create symmetry of the cranium, then that will change the feet. And a great article just came out recently, and it was talking about the ratio from the knee to the ankle was dictating the person's performance, which was fantastic. Later in that article, which I don't think anybody read, it said, more importantly, was the cranial symmetry to performance was just as important as the ratio of the tibia and fibula. So that's what we're here today. We're going to just go over some different scenarios, and we're going to check out some feet, and we're going to check out balancing out the head.